Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, ever notice your character wandering off on its own in a game, even when you're not touching the controller? That's stick drift, and it's a super common issue, especially on PS5 controllers. It typically happens when tiny bits of dust or debris get inside the joystick assembly, causing false inputs. Don't worry, it's usually fixable, and we'll walk you through how to tackle it step by step. Before grabbing any tools, let's try some simple software fixes. A good first step is to reset your controller. Just look for the small pinhole button on the back and press it with a paperclip for about 5 seconds. Next, ensure your PlayStation 5 system software and your controller's firmware are both fully updated. Sometimes, an old software version can cause these kinds of glitches, and a quick update might be all you need. If software tweaks don't work, it's time for some gentle physical cleaning. Grab a can of compressed air and give short, controlled bursts around the base of the affected joystick, moving the stick around as you spray. For a deeper clean, dampen a cotton swab with a small amount of 70% isopropyl alcohol. Carefully wipe around the stick's base. This can dissolve grime, and the alcohol evaporates quickly, leaving no residue behind. If less invasive methods fail, you might need to open your DualSense controller. This step requires very small screwdrivers and extreme caution to avoid damaging internal parts. Once open, focus on the joystick module. Specifically, look for the small black sensor wheels or contacts. Use a fine brush or a cotton swab with a tiny bit of isopropyl alcohol to gently clean these sensitive parts. If this feels too intimidating, it's perfectly fine to seek professional repair or consider a replacement controller. To prevent future stick drift, always try to store your controller in a clean, dust-free environment. Regularly wipe it down with a microfiber cloth and use compressed air periodically around the joysticks, even if you don't have drift. If you've tried all these steps and the drift still persists, it might be time for a new controller or to explore warranty options if available. Hopefully, these tips help you get back to gaming smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.